Today I'm going to be unboxing the FiiO mBTR Bluetooth headphone amp. This amp is $20. It was on Amazon. And what this does is it lets you take a regular pair of headphones and turn them into Bluetooth headphones. So you open the box, if you can, smart enough to open the box. So it comes with a charging cable. This is a USB-C connector for power. The little amplifier. Instructions. Here's all the instructions in various different languages. And the box. Okay, so we're going to take this item and pair it to our iPhone. So you push this little button. So there's a volume button, there's a minus, positive, microphone, and the pairing and turning on. So I'm going to turn it on. There's a little blue dot, and that should be in pairing mode. So let's come to Bluetooth on. And we'll look for the item. There's the FiiO mBTR. We're going to set that. Okay. And let's plug in our device. Put the headphones on. And let's see if the music works. Oh. It is playing in my headphones. Okay, that works pretty well. So now I can walk around with my Bose headphones with the FiiO mBTR converter. All right, there you go. I'll let you know. Let me know if you've tried it. It seems to work pretty well for me. Okay, thanks, bye.